It's juicy, comes in a rainbow of colors, and is used in delicious dishes around the world. The tomato. Israeli researchers at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem have just developed a new variety of tomatoes that is resistant to drought. The study, led by Shai Torjaman and Professor Dani Zamir's Plant Science Laboratory, found a tomato variety that not only grows with less water, but can even flourish in extreme weather conditions.
Commercial tomato breeds grown in open field conditions that you find in supermarkets, on average, require 317,000 gallons per acre each season. In our study, we cut this water amount in half and got great results.
To do this, scientists crossbred two species of tomatoes, a wild variety all the way from the deserts of western Peru, and a common tomato you can find in any supermarket. The goal was to pinpoint exactly which parts of the plant's genome affect its yield and other important agricultural traits.
We have here 1,500 accessions, and each one contains a segment of the wild tomato's genome. This allows us to see how each part of the genome affects the fruit, the plant's growth, its size, as well as its resistance to drought and pathogens. Because of these different results, we can find the characteristics that are important to us and discover where these characteristics come from in the wild tomato's genome.
According to the team of researchers, the findings show that wild species can be successfully used to enhance farming. This is good news for places like California, which produces about 30% of the world's tomatoes and 95% of America's processed tomatoes. Years of drought have squeezed farmers and made it harder for them to make a profit.
There is global warming, and farmers need tomatoes that can cope with these changing weather conditions. Global warming does not only cause higher temperatures, but also extreme weather, like sudden torrential downpours or drought. So we need plants that have improved capabilities that can deal with these extreme conditions.
An ongoing lack of rain could lead to shortages in the coming months, with everything from salsa to ketchup and pasta sauce becoming much more expensive. The percentage of land affected by drought has more than doubled in the past 40 years, and it's one of the many factors that's leading to sky-high food prices across the globe. For over 4 years, Professor Zamir's laboratory has been sequencing the DNA of plants and analyzing the data. This amazing new breed of tomato is still being developed and doesn't yet have a formal name, but it could soon hit supermarket shelves near you.
We're now in the stage of cultivating the first crossbred species for commercial markets, and I believe that this will be available on the market in the next 2 to 3 years.
From the Hatzav area in central Israel, Maya Margit reporting for the Media Line.